Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I just shaved yesterday, so I'm more than happy to go clean shaven. Or if you prefer some facial hair, we can do that too. So I think if my friends had to agree on one thing about me, it's that I'm willing to try everything at least once. And the latest thing that I've done is over in Malibu along the PCH, there's this massive sand dune on one side. And I grabbed my snowboard and trekked up this thing. It was an amazing workout. And actually sandboarded down it. Now, one sort of according to plan, I got up there, took a breather, strapped in, and got a really good amount of speed on the way down. What I didn't expect is when I got to the bottom, when I'm on snow, I usually sort of jump around, hop around to get my position. But with all the sand that had built up, I actually did a face plant. And then I also didn't expect is that if you've ever spent any time in the sand and rolled around in it with clothes on, sand just happens to go everywhere. And so it's more of a PG-13 R-rated part of the conversation. But let's just say that I was able to find sand in places that I never imagined days after this event. And so I'll definitely be going back. And I've even found that in the Mojave Desert, there's an even bigger dune that you could possibly go sandboarding on. So I'm looking into that now. All right, so I've got a two-part dinner time special. Part one, what did the peanut say to the moon? Nothing. Peanuts don't speak. All right, so there is a peanut out there that can speak, and it just so happened to walk into a bar. What did it say? Ouch, obviously. Get it? Bar. Well, of course. I mean, look, I applaud you for getting out there and hitting the dating scene again. Yeah, I know it's not easy. Well, look, if there's anyone out there who can pull it off, it's you. And you've got the best sense of humor that we know. Yeah? No, I know some of your jokes are pretty corny. But two, you also have the best sense of adventure. Of course. Okay, well, you have all of our support. So we do enjoy living vicariously through you. Yes. Oh, that time at band camp? Yes. Trust me, I think about that all the time. It's hilarious. Look, Professor Smith he was a total pill. Yes, I know. Trust me, I know. We can't stop talking about it when we get drunk. I know. Yeah. Well, look, we survived, and, well, some of us have matured. Others, maybe. Anyways, it's great to see you.